Howdy friends, this is a high-level garden nerd video where I unbox the heirloom potatoes I'll be growing this season. This first box contains 4 heirloom varieties, all organic, from Peaceful Valley. Ooh. Of course, one of the first things you've noticed about these potatoes is that they're sprouting, and that's what makes them seed potatoes, ready to go into the ground. Ah. At this point, you may be thinking, well, wait a sec, I've bought potatoes at the supermarket, I've left them on the counter for too long, and they started to sprout. And yes, you can put those in the ground and grow them out too. I've done it, and it's a lot of fun. But for this season, I've spent a few extra bucks and bought heirloom varieties that I was interested in growing out and trying. There are literally thousands of heirloom varieties of potatoes out there, but we only see a dozen or more in the supermarkets. It's important to keep genetic diversity alive, and that's one of the joys of growing a garden. Purple potatoes like these contain anthocyanins, the same antioxidant found in blueberries. These next 2 boxes of seed potatoes came from Johnny's Seeds. When fully grown out, a single seed potato like this can yield somewhere between 5 and 20 new potatoes. So as I write, this is some pretty high-level garden nerd stuff, but I hope you're enjoying. Ooh. Genetically, potatoes are in the nightshade family, related to tomatoes and eggplants, and they like slightly acidic soils. So this is a 5-pound bag. All the others were 1-pounders. Why'd I get more of this particular variety? I don't really know. But seed potatoes are inexpensive, and they're a high-value crop for calories and starches. Ah. In the past, I've planted my potatoes directly into the earth, but this year I'm going to try something different and grow in fabric pots. Those videos will come shortly. To maximize yield, people grow potatoes in hills, adding soil as the plant grows. I'll talk more about this in my grow videos. And this last box is from Baker Creek Seeds, and it's actually not potato, but sweet potato slips. Botanically speaking, sweet potatoes and potatoes are barely related. They're quite different. Yeah. Well, there you have it. Follow along and watch me grow out all these beautiful varieties.